High-density coiled paper fibers construction and bright colors that will stand out. Rounded wire spider allows darts to glide into the board, reducing bounce outs. Double-faced board allows you to enjoy traditional dart games and all new baseball darts. Pre-installed hanging bracket sets up quickly with minimal tools and setup. Includes playing instructions for the most popular dart games, 301 and cricket, in addition to new baseball darts, and 2 sets of starter darts. Included components. Instruction manual. Bring home the fun of darts in addition to a whole new game experience with the Viper Double Play Dartboard, for use with steel tip and soft tip darts. This board is sure to bring hours of high-flying fun to your game room, and will certainly turn heads with its distinctive and bright colors. Constructed from high-density coiled paper, this dartboard will stand up to tons of fun and use. Thereus, no better way to introduce your friends and family to the quick-growing game of darts. This dartboard has twice the games with 2 distinct patterns. One side is a traditional dartboard featuring numbers from 1 to 20 with double and triple sections. The opposite side features a brand new game design, baseball darts. Relive Americaus Pastime in a whole new way with darts. With an exterior hanging mount, set up as a snap with minimal tools. Included, you will find playing instructions for popular games like 301 and cricket, in addition to the rules for baseball darts. You can get throwing right away with 2 sets of starter darts. Top reviews from the United States. This dartboard may actually have magical properties. Not kidding. Folks. This is not your average dartboard, this is the degenerate danger zone dart of the day dartboard. This is a magical gambling dartboard that has picked 2+ money winners in its first 2 picks. Imagine buying a dartboard and having it win you 100 in the first few days. Well, yeah, this dartboard is magic. As for the board itself, it has great sturdiness and thickness to it. You can feel the weight of it in your hands and know its quality. The dart sticks in every time without any bounce-offs. Great value for the money.